guys, welcome you to our interview placement series. And in this video, we will be covering about the second question which I faced during my Hexaview technology interview. To start with this question, say first of all, I'll just read out the code, the statement, and afterwards we will uh, think about how to solve this question. So the question statement is: you are a property dealer who earns 10% commission on every deal, resulting in profit. You are given an array land price where land price is the price of the given land on the ith day, right? So we have an array, and in the array we have the price of land on a particular day. So return the maximum commission that you can earn by buying and selling the land at a particular day, right? So how one can earn a profit? It's simple, like purchasing a land at a low price and selling the same land at a higher price. So in that way we can achieve a profit. It's an obvious thing. So yeah, and one more thing, guys. Actually मैं इस वीडियो वापस बना रहा हूँ because of network issue. So rather than writing the whole code again, we will just simply learn the actual implementation जो मैंने पहले लास्ट वाले वीडियो में कवर किया था, जो नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से अपलोड नहीं हो पाई. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको. Okay, and yeah. So we will start with the main function. In the main function, I have an array. In this, at each ith index there is a land price, and also I've made a variable n which stores the number of the data in the array. Okay. So first of all, I've created a function named main index, that is this one. And in this main index, I have three parameters: the first array, the starting index, and the end index. The start and end index in this array denotes that the day at which the land of price is minimum and we are purchasing that land. And one more thing, it's running from 0 to n-2, and n-2 denotes the last second index. And this is because if we want to earn profit, then we have to if suppose I purchase my land on the last day, right? So I cannot sell the land with a profit because there are no further days. So just to gain a profit, we have to purchase the land a day before the last day, that is the last second day. So that's why this is loop. The loop is checking from 0 to the n-2th index, the minimum value. So it is simple. We are traversing our array, and I made a variable answer and a temp, and I've initialized our temp variable with int min, the minimum value of integer. So while start is less than equals to end, right? Suppose my start is pointing at this location and end is pointing at this location. So while start is less than equals to end, till then I'm traversing my array, and in the array I'm just checking that if the value at s index is less than temp, as we have to purchase the land, so we will only purchase our land at the minimum cost. So with the help of this loop, I'm checking out the minimum cost of the land on a particular day. And once we get that day, I'll just simply copy the value of that land on that particular day on a temp variable, and also I'll store the index value at which index the value is present, the minimum value is present on which we are purchasing the land. And afterwards, we are incrementing our s plus the start pointer, and yeah, that's it. And afterwards, we will return our ans. Ans is the index value of the minimum land price, right? And this function will return an index value, and the index value is stored in the buy index. So suppose I purchased my land on this, as this is the minimum value. So I purchase my land on this day. So to sell my land, it should be greater than the land, the ith value at which we have purchased our land should, and to earn profit or to sell our land, the starting index would be the buy index plus 1, the next index from the buy index. Suppose this is my the index at which I have purchased my land. So to sell my land, there are only two options, either this one or this one. So I'll start with the buy index plus 1, that is, this is your buy index. So buy index plus 1 क्या हो जाएगा, ये वाला, and till the n, the last variable, n-1, that's the same thing. And because of n-1 because of the zero indexing. And if we want to earn profit, we will find the maximum price of the land on that particular day. So again, we will traverse towards my through my array from start to end index. Start is the like by index plus one index. So again, I'll just make an answer variable. In the answer variable, I'll store the land of the price, the maximum land of the price, not the maximum land index of the price, the maximum land index. And in the temp variable, I'll store the value of that index of the maximum value of the land. And with the help of this loop, I'm just traversing my array through my array. And once I've like finished this loop, I have that price at which the land, I have that maximum price of the land on a particular day. And in the end, I'll just return the index value at which the land of price is maximum. So the value, the index value at which in which the price of land is maximum, I have stored the value in our small index variable. So I'll just print it out, cout statement that land purchased with the amount of this a at by index of the array, the by index of array, and land sold at by index of cell index of array. And the profit and would be the value at which the value which is present inside the array of the cell index minus at which we have purchased our land, and multiply by 0.1 because I have in the question it is given that you who earns 10% commission. So 10% would be, I'll just write it out here. So 10% would be 10 divided by 100, and further solving it will become like 0.1. So that's why I'm multiplying it by 0.1. And yeah, that's it. As we have the same array, so output we can also check the output as well. So we'll just run the code, and afterwards we'll check the output of this particular question. And yeah, compile हो रहा है अभी कोड, रन हो रहा है, compile हो चुका है actually. And बस मेरा कोर्स में सिर्फ यही मोटो है कि like rather than wasting my time on writing the whole code, I'll just simply teach you like how my code is working. So that's the reason that I just simply explained this code rather than writing the whole code again. So yeah, coming to this output. So I have purchased my land with the amount of rupees 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. I purchased my land at rupees 1 lakh. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Okay. And I sold my land with rupees 5 lakhs. So the profit and would be that is 5 lakh minus 1 lakh, that is 4 lakhs, and 10% commission would be by the person who makes this deal, property dealer. So the property dealer earns of rupees 10% of 4 lakhs, that is 40,000. And yeah, that's the profit. And here we can check the output as well. So that's the output, 40,000. Okay, so that was all about the code, like how to sell and purchase the land to earn a profit. Okay, so that was all about this particular video, and in the next video we will be covering some more interview questions of some more interesting companies. Okay then, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक see you, have a good day, टाटा, bye bye, take care guys.